Hello everyone, my name is Bianca. Welcome to my channel if you're new here, and if you're returning, then welcome back.
It's me, Bianca.
I did receive some of this stuff in PR. As always, all of my opinions are going to be my own. The first product I received, Luxe Unfiltered. Super excited to try it. They have tanning products. You can get this product at Sephora, and they included the self-tanning cream called Santal. It is 100 milliliters, 3.4 ounces, and it retails for $36. The fragrances is a Santal, is a warm, creamy sandalwood with notes of cedar and amyris. Ooh, okay. Oh, it already smells so good. I love tanning lotions like this where you can basically just like keep your tan going, you know what I'm saying? Like that's so nice to just like add to a tan you already have. Okay, so this is really cool because it's a customizable self-tanner drop for the face, which if you're like me and a lot of other people, they don't usually tan their face and their chest whenever they're laying out in the sun, or self-tanner, a lot of times people usually don't put it on the face because it can be, you know, chemicals on the face, like it doesn't really interact well with the face. So something like this that is full of antioxidants is pretty perfect. And you can customize how deep the shade you want to go. So 4 to 5 drops is a medium to subtle, 4 to 5 drops is a light to subtle tan, 5 to 6 drops is a medium tan, and 6+ drops are a deep tan. So that's freaking awesome. I'm gonna test this out today and see if we can get a good match. And yeah, let's try her out. So I'm probably gonna do about 5 drops. The hands are clean, and I am going to just go ahead and do 5 to 6 drops. Oh geez, I didn't even, oh my goodness, it came out so fast I couldn't even, whatever. Oh, I love that it's fragrance free because, you know, tanning products is like, when they have fragrance, unless it's a really good one, man, it is just, it's a little hard to, sometimes they mask it and they don't do it well. So we will see, I guess, how this oxidizes and looks on the skin. I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit and then we're gonna move on to the next product. I'm having a little bit of a bad brow day, so let's just ignore the brows and move on. My God. All right, so I received the Estée Lauder Doublewear Foundation Stay in Place Makeup. I am so excited to try this foundation out. I have always wanted to try her out. They sent me the shade 2N1 Desert Beige. And if you are a full coverage babe, you're gonna love this. Okay, well, at least I hear you're gonna love this. I've never tried it, so. Let's see if the shade match. Looks a little bit light, but I did put those tanning drops in, so. And the good thing is it's great, so I can pretty much wear this all year round. Let's see. Yeah, I think this is gonna be a pretty good match. They also sent me the Advanced Night Repair Serum, so I'm super excited to try this out. This instantly plumps with hydration over time, firms and visibly improves lines and pores. So definitely gonna test her out. This is my favorite way to apply foundation. Oh wow, that looks beautiful already. Says it's medium to full coverage and it's buildable, so might have to build it up because I can still see quite a bit of imperfections. Okay, so this is how it's looking so far. This is just one layer applied, and I think I am gonna go in with just a little bit more just to see if we can get a little bit more coverage here in my problem areas. And it does feel pretty lightweight. I wouldn't say that it feels like super cakey on the skin or like heavy, you know? Oh yeah, I think that did a pretty great job of covering up even more. And I really actually like this color a lot. I usually only just do a little bit on the forehead because I have bangs. It's kind of like, why put so much makeup there, you know what I mean? And please ignore my brows, my God. Moving on to some other new products I'm testing out. It's this Catrice face palette. This really intrigued me because it kind of looks like the Makeup Forever dupe, or it's the Kevin Aquan, you know, like the quads where contour and blush shades. So I definitely wanted to try this out. I believe this only retails for $8. $8. So we will see how this works and if this is like worth the money and if it's an actual dupe. I appreciate that they have this sticky thing. It's really hard to take off. Also, if you have nails, obviously, and oh well, I already fucked up right there. I'm gonna take a brush, and first I think I'm gonna go into this brown shade right here. Whoa, the pigment is there. Now let's see if she's blendable. Oh, jeez, girl. Hi, honey. Hi, baby. Hi, sweet thing. Definitely taking my time because I want this to be blended nicely. Oh, shit, Bucks. Shit, Bucks. What the? Wow, I think that is so pretty. Yeah, I'm liking that so far. That blended out so easily. And I like the color. It's not too cool, it's not too warm. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Do a little on the forehead. Whoa, a little, that looks like a lot, bitch. But it blends super easily. For the nose contour, let's see. I like to place it and then just blend it with my finger. Might be a little bit warm for the nose for my liking, honestly. Don't know if I'd recommend that or really appreciate that for the nose, but okay, we tried her out. I want to go in with this shade next to go down the nose contour to highlight and see how that looks. Oh, that is an actual highlighter. See, I wasn't sure if it was a highlight or if it was just a like a cream shade, you know, like a concealer cream. But I appreciate that it's a highlight. We can work with that. My nose is crooked, so whenever I do this, it like always. Now let's test out the blush. I think I'm gonna go with the more orange shade because I am going to do a kind of blue look today on the eye, so I don't want it to be, you know, like pink and blue 80s. So we're gonna go like more subtle, even though this doesn't look very subtle, but I think we can make it look subtle. Okay, was not expecting that type of pigment, but that's lovely. I mean, honestly, it's gorgeous. Love that shade. Really love that shade. And you know what's really nice is these are pigmented, but they're so creamy, so you really don't have to use a lot. Like, that's all I'm gonna use. That's all I need to use. Really, that's all I need to use. This is no filter. Gorgeous. I think to add a little bit more something and just to try out pretty much all the shades, I think I'm gonna dip into the highlight shades and put it at the highest points of my cheeks. I haven't even put on concealer yet, which, that's okay. just to like add a little more glow to the skin. It's really pretty. This would be like perfect for a no makeup look. Look at that. Wow, that looks really pretty. I'm like, do I even need concealer? A new concealer to try out, but let's test out the difference between this makeup eraser Maybelline. This has a little bit of a pink hue to it, and then the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, which is one of my favorites. This is in shade Light Peach. This has no pink shade to it or hue, so let's see if it makes a difference. Right off of the bat, you can already see the difference in the brightness. Now, I know probably a good test would to be doing the same brand, but we're just testing the color, not necessarily the coverage and whatever. They've been sitting for a little bit, so I'm gonna start blending it out. I don't know. What do y'all think? I can't tell which one I like more. I like truly can't. I feel like this is a softer and it's still like really brightening. But this also, like, I don't know, something about this side, maybe more full coverage. I'm like, did I place enough? I don't know if the product was even, you know what I'm saying? So let me, as far as the amount, let me just place a little bit more on this side and see if that makes a difference. As far as the coverage, honestly, I cannot tell a difference. I think looks better. I do have a new powder to try out. So this is the Danessa Myricks Beauty Evolution Powder, priming, smoothing, setting powder. This is in the shade Yellow. So I'm really hoping this looks good. Like a little bit of a sifter thingy. Let's get a nice even coat. Oh wow. There's no filter on this. Oh wow. That is so smoothing. Oh wow, I really like that. Kind of reminds me of the Huda Beauty powder. The Huda Beauty is so smoothing and pretty. And like literally this is kind of what it reminds me of. Mama like. The forehead. Love this powder. I think I'm going to definitely look into to see if they have more shades of this because I really like this. Also I tested this out on my last video. I do want to play around with this again. Play more with these shades since I did the blue last time. Ooh, could be cute if I put a little bit of blush around the hearts. let's finish off this look with some new lippies. They do not move. The new Fenty liners. This is shade Peanut Butter and this is shade I Wouldn't. They do not budge. If you let them dry down, they will not budge. So I've already lined my lips. In the center, I put MAC's Honey Love. Such a beautiful combination. I absolutely love this whole look. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Adios.